Good morning to all. This is for class 6 MSc. Class 6, today we are going to start our chapter number 7, Life Skills, Home Alone. Concept. Parents, guardians generally are loath to leave their children alone at home. But often it is so happen that this become unavoidable due to a variety of reasons. In such situations, children remain alone and have to manage by themselves. They need to behave responsibly, make the right decision, follow instruction, use good judgment, and act with presence of mind. Simple precaution and safe practice will ensure their safety and well-being and make them confident of staying by themselves whenever the need arises. Here's how. So, the concept of the chapter is that parents and guardians sometimes left their children alone at home. Maybe they have some urgent work to do, due to that they have to move away from home and they are leaving their children alone at home. In such condition, children has to manage everything by themselves. Therefore, they need to have right decision. They need to follow the instruction that their parents had given before leaving the house, or they have to use good judgment, and the most important thing, they has to act with the presence of mind. So by following all these things, they can ensure their safety and make them confident of staying by themselves. Now overview. Harsh was all alone in the house that day. His parents has to leave for his grandparents' place to visit his ailing grandmother. His father cautioned him, "Harsh, look after your younger sister well and take care of the house. We will be back by late evening." His mother told him to be alert and mindful and be careful with the electric appliances and the gas stove. So the story is all about a boy. His name was Harsh, and his parents has to go to his grandparents' place as his grandmother was suffering from illness. So they want to see her. That is why they left home. But before leaving, Harsh's father cautioned him that, "Harsh, look after your younger sister and also you have to take care of your house. We will be back by the evening." Then his mother also gives some precaution that be alert and mindful. And very important thing is that you have to be careful with the electric appliances and gas stove. Now coming to the story. It was 11 o'clock and Harsh remembered it was Shruti, his younger sister's meal time. He quickly cooked some Maggi with onion and capsicum and fed the little girl he loved so much. They had to do the utensil and some laundry. Having finished the chores, he sat back and watched television, sitting Shruti on his lap. The ring at the door surprised him. Not opening the door, Ajay, he first put on the safety latch and opened it just a bit. It was a courier delivery man. He received the packet, thanked the man, and securely closed the door. It was about time to eat lunch and then have an afternoon siesta. He ate his lunch, fed some to Shruti, and tucked her in, not really feeling sleepy. So now Harsh is all alone in the house with her younger sister. Now it was 11 o'clock and then Harsh remembered that it is my sister's meal time. He quickly cooked some Maggi with onion and capsicum, and then he fed the little girl. Then he washed all the utensils and some laundry. Then after finishing his work, he sat in front of television and started watching television with Shruti on his lap. Then suddenly the doorbell rang. He saw then it was a delivery man. Then he opened the door and take the delivery parcel, and then he securely closed the door. Now it was the lunch time, so he had lunch, and also he had given to Shruti, and then he tugged her. Not really feeling sleepy and remembering his father's advice to be alert, he took a book and began reading it. Suddenly the phone rang. It was his friend Anurag. "Hey Harsh, why don't you come over? We will go out and play cricket with our friends. They are here already." Anurag's voice came over the earpiece. Harsh was tempted to say yes. He loved cricket and was a good batsman too. But he was about to say yes when he thought of leaving Shruti behind, all alone in the house. He could send her to the neighbor. They were very nice and affectionate people and adored Shruti. He thought, "I'm sorry, Anurag," he replied firmly. "I won't be coming. There's nobody at home and I can't leave Shruti alone." So he was not really feeling sleepy and remembering his father's advice that be alert. So he started reading book, and then his phone rang. It was his friend Anurag, and Anurag said that Harsh, come on, let us play cricket. We all friends are gathered here, so you also come and we will have cricket match. Harsh was just to say yes, because he loved cricket very much and he was a good batsman too. He was about to say yes, but then he remembered about Shruti, that if I will go, then Shruti will remain all alone in the home, as our parents had gone to the grandfather's place. So then he thought, if I could send Shruti to the neighbor, the people, those who are living in our neighbor are very nice. They are very affectionate and also they like Shruti very much. So they will have a good care of Shruti. But he said no to Anurag. He said that if I will come to play cricket with you, then my little sister Shruti will be all alone in the home and there is no one to take care for her. So he said no to Anurag. As he put down the phone, his heart swelled with pride. He had refused to indulge himself and had put his responsibility towards his sister first. "Bhaiya, can't we play outside?" It was Shruti tugging pleadingly at his shirt. "Okay dear," he said gently. "We will play in the park outside for a while." He took Shruti out, locked the door carefully, and they walked to the park in front of their house. Shruti played gleefully with the children and Harsh was over her, careful to keep an eye on his house as well. So as he put the phone, he felt very proud of himself that I refused to play just because of the responsibility. That means I am very much aware about my responsibilities. Then at that period of time, his younger sister Shruti said that, "Bhaiya, can we play outside?" Then he gently said, "Yes, we can." Then he went outside in the park with Shruti, but he was very careful. He was looking Shruti and as well as the house. Shruti played in the park with full joy with the other children. And Harsh watched her very carefully. So Harsh was looking both sides, her sister as well as his house also. It was now growing dark and Harsh took Shruti back. He thought her chocolates from a nearby shop and then returned home. Now it was getting dark, so Harsh took Shruti back. That let us move to home now. So he bought some chocolate for her also from the nearby shop, and then after that they returned to home. So for today till here it is enough. In next video I will explain you further chapter. Thank you.